Welcome to my channel guys. Today's video is for unboxing and the RAM upgrade for my Asus laptop. I bought 8 GB of RAM. The company name is Kingston and we are going to upgrade after this unboxing. So please stay tuned and watch this video until end. I am upgrading this RAM for the model number is A455L and you can upgrade this RAM for X555L, A55L. The upgradation link below in the description, you can check it out. Before we update this RAM, I want to show you my configuration of laptop, that how much GB of RAM I have. So my system, here you can see I have 2 GB of RAM right now and we are going to upgrade this for 8 GB. So the total RAM will be of 10 GB. Or you can find it another way, go to Task Manager. And go to performance. So here in the memory section you can see that my RAM is only of 2 GB. So 2 GB of RAM and we are going to upgrade this for 8 GB and total RAM will be of 10 GB. Let's jump into the process of upgradation. This is my Asus A455L. Just flip it back and here you can see the compartment for the RAM upgradation. Take a screwdriver, open this screw and with the help of that screwdriver open this flap. So here you can see the slot for extra RAM. Take out your RAM, which is I bought this Kingston, which is of 8 GB. Take out gently and you can see the gap between the pins. So take that RAM and insert that in 35 degree and gently press it down. So this is the way. Insert that 35 degree angle and press down. You can hear the click sound. It means your RAM is inserted properly. Close the flap and restart your laptop. After that you can go to your Task Manager, go to Performance tab, and the memory you can see it's 10 GB right now. So the before RAM is 2 GB and we added 8 GB. So now it become 10 GB. So this is the way you can upgrade your RAM and your RAM is upgraded successfully. Thank you for watching. Thanks for your time. Subscribe to our channel for like the videos and see you in the next video. Bye bye.